Welcome back to our YouTube channel. The 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome represents the pinnacle of modern RV design, blending luxury, functionality, and performance into a singular, sophisticated vehicle. For those looking to embark on unforgettable road trips, explore the open road, or simply enjoy the great outdoors in comfort, the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome is an ideal choice. This motorhome brings together cutting-edge technology, superior craftsmanship, and an elegant design, setting a new standard in the camper van industry. Ram, a brand known for its reliable trucks, has long been associated with rugged durability and strength. For the 2025 model, Ram takes this legacy to the next level by integrating all the best aspects of their vehicles into a purpose-built motorhome designed for adventure. Whether it's the spacious interior, the robust performance on any terrain, or the modern amenities, this motorhome delivers a unique experience that's perfect for families, retirees, or anyone who loves the freedom of the open road. One of the standout features of the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome is its exterior design. The vehicle has a bold, aerodynamic shape that not only looks sleek but also maximizes fuel efficiency. With a wide, muscular stance, it exudes strength and stability, essential traits for any RV that aims to tackle diverse terrains with ease. The exterior is complemented by stylish accents and premium finishes, with the option for customizable colors and materials to match personal preferences. From the chrome grille to the wide, all-terrain tires, every element of the design is purposefully crafted to offer both aesthetic appeal and practical performance. Beyond looks, the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome is equipped to handle a variety of driving conditions. Powered by a robust engine that combines power with efficiency, it can effortlessly navigate highways, city streets, and even off-road paths. Whether you're cruising on a long highway journey or maneuvering through winding mountain roads, the vehicle's advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and stable ride. The motorhome also features a towing capacity that allows you to bring along extra gear or a smaller vehicle, making it even more versatile for extended trips. When it comes to the interior, the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome is a game-changer. Inside, you'll find a spacious and thoughtfully designed living area that makes the most of every inch. The high ceilings and open layout make the space feel airy and inviting, while the rich materials used throughout the cabin add a touch of luxury. From the premium leather seating to the soft touch surfaces, the interior exudes comfort and style. Whether you're relaxing after a day of exploration or hosting family meals, the space is designed to make you feel at home. The heart of the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome's interior lies in its flexible and functional floor plan. Depending on the model you choose, the motorhome can come with multiple sleeping arrangements, from a large master bed to convertible sofa beds, making it perfect for families, couples, or solo travelers. The kitchen area is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including a stovetop, refrigerator, and microwave. The countertops are made of durable materials, providing ample space for food prep and cooking. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or cooking up a feast, the kitchen's thoughtful layout makes it easy to work in. One of the most innovative features of the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome is its intelligent storage system. With plenty of cabinets, drawers, and compartments, it's easy to keep the living space tidy and organized. For those who need to bring along more gear, there are additional storage options in the rear of the motorhome, including a large trunk area for bikes, outdoor gear, and other essentials. The overhead compartments and cleverly designed storage spaces make it simple to stow away your belongings without cluttering the interior. Another standout aspect of the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome is its bathroom, which offers a level of comfort and luxury that's often hard to find in RVs. The compact yet functional bathroom features a modern shower, a stylish vanity with a sink, and a toilet. The use of high-quality materials ensures that the space feels clean and sophisticated, making it easy to refresh after a long day of travel. The bathroom also incorporates smart features like a heated floor and an efficient water system, ensuring that every part of the motorhome is as luxurious and functional as possible. Technology is a key element in the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome, and the vehicle is equipped with the latest in connectivity and entertainment. The dashboard features a large, intuitive touchscreen display that allows you to control everything from navigation to media to climate control. The motorhome also includes a premium sound system, making it easy to enjoy your favorite music or podcasts while on the road. For those who need to stay connected, the motorhome comes with a Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing you to access the internet, stream movies, or work remotely while traveling. The 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome also places a strong emphasis on sustainability. The vehicle's design incorporates energy-efficient systems, including LED lighting and solar panel capabilities. With solar panels mounted on the roof, you can easily harness the power of the sun to charge your batteries and reduce your reliance on external power sources. This is particularly useful when camping in remote areas, where access to electricity may be limited. Additionally, the motorhome features an advanced water filtration system, allowing you to enjoy clean, fresh water no matter where you are. Safety is always a priority when it comes to motorhomes, and the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome doesn't disappoint. The vehicle is equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of your surroundings. These features make it easier to navigate tight spaces, change lanes, and park, ensuring that you can drive with confidence. The motorhome also includes airbags, stability control, and an advanced braking system, providing peace of mind on every journey. In terms of driving experience, the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome offers an intuitive and comfortable ride. The seats are designed for long-haul comfort, with adjustable positions and ample support. The vehicle's cabin is soundproofed, reducing road noise and ensuring a quiet and peaceful ride. The steering and handling are precise, giving you full control over the motorhome even on challenging roads. Whether you're tackling steep inclines or cruising on smooth highways, the motorhome is responsive and easy to drive. The 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome is designed with versatility in mind, making it ideal for a wide range of lifestyles and activities. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip, setting off on a weekend adventure, or living full-time on the road, this motorhome offers everything you need for a comfortable and enjoyable journey. Its robust performance, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking an elevated camping experience. The 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's about freedom, exploration, and enjoying the world from the comfort of your own home on wheels. Whether you're traveling solo, with a partner, or with your entire family, this motorhome provides the space, comfort, and performance you need to make every trip memorable. From its sleek design to its advanced features, the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome is a true masterpiece in the world of RVs. For those who are passionate about travel and adventure, the 2025 Ram Camper Motorhome offers everything you need to embark on your next journey. With its combination of rugged capability, modern luxury, and innovative features, this motorhome sets a new standard for what a camper van can be. It's the perfect companion for those who want to experience the world on their own terms, with the freedom and comfort that only a high-end motorhome can provide. Thanks for watching.